Welcome to the world of power reliability and performance with the Cummins QSX15 generator, a true powerhouse of engineered excellence. Let's dive into the key specifications. Come along. This generator provides 500 kVA output. The generator is designed for standby and prime applications, operating at 400/230 volts and a frequency of 50 Hz. The Cummins QSX15 is sure going to supply all you would need. Give us a try, let us know what this diesel-powered engine can do for you. Just listen to the strength on that engine, nothing more beautiful. Interested? Give us a call now.